Come here, I help you.
So today I decided to clean the floor to see if the dust from my brain goes off. Yes, that's what they say. That if you clean your room, suddenly your brain is just like free and creative, happy to go with the day. Okay, so use the magic Hoover to clean the dust from your brain so you can have a happy, wonderful day. Okay? And if you feel like somebody by just saying something, you feel like punching them, do not do it. No. Use the Hoover and carry on with your day. So, clean up time. What? What did you say? Are you talking to me?
Come here, I help you.